I would have made this with the shrimp. With this shrimp, I would have made actually, what do we call this? Camarones mojo de ajo.
Diabla.
No, not diabla. Mojo de ajo. What I do is take out the shrimp once I saute it with the mojo de ajo, then I turn it into a beurre blanc. So I do Mexican French cuisine.
Oh, shit.
Camarones mojo de ajo with the mojo de ajo beurre blanc.
We got garlic.
You know what? I get
I
down.
want that.
Come to my restaurant whenever you want. Oh my God. Oh my God, you know lobsters? Guys. Oh my God. Can somebody pull out a camera? Can somebody pull out a camera with me and Jeff? Me and Jeff, guys. We need a camera. Anthony, pull out the camera. I know they don't want you to send it to you.